The destruction continues. This is the continuation fallout from FTX, SBF. We're going to talk about this. We're also going to talk about, in my opinion, kind of the impact of what I'm about to tell you on crypto, short-term, long-term. As always, thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button below, drop a like, tell the algorithm that we are here. Okay, so right now, you've probably heard this, Silvergate Capital, which is effectively a crypto bank. They are shutting down operations, liquidating the bank. This has been ongoing now for about a little under a week or so. Okay, and what this really comes down to is this is yet another victim, if you will, another casualty in the fallout from FTX. So there's a little bit more to it than that, but that's effectively it. And what is the overall kind of effect and impact that this is going to have on crypto? Well, right now you can see short term, I firmly believe that it is absolutely impacting crypto. You see we're down a little under 2%. We have dropped below that $1 trillion market capitalization for the entire crypto market. We're now at 995 billion. Now, this is not all of it that's going into play. We've also got, what's going on with the discussions around, is a recession coming for us here in the States? I frankly believe that it is. We've got the continued inflation scenario playing out. We are awaiting in about 5 days the next big, huge inflation report, the CPI report. We have Chairman Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, came out in the last couple of days saying, number one, rate hikes are probably going to be more aggressive than we originally thought they would be. Again, I have been talking about this for a while. I've been saying that I think that this would come for a while. It's not me saying I was right. It's just me basically making a commentary that my job sitting here is to try to keep you in the know and keep you updated on what's going on, all these macro factors related to, your crypto investments, to try to keep you somewhat ahead of the game. That's what I care about, is helping you navigate crypto, okay, and make more money in the long run and all those kind of things. So here's where we're at. I don't think that the Silvergate Capital, crypto bank thing going out of business is a long-term impactor. It's just another kind of casualty of the FTX thing. A couple other factors around that, but that's really it. I think that that's a small part of what you're seeing right now in the market move down. I think the market move down is something, again, I've been talking about. It's the inflation. It's what's the Fed going to do or not going to do, all those kind of things. And that's what I think is happening. It's just one of those things where I think as we see this rolling forward, we've got the March 14 CPI report coming, and then we got the Federal Reserve set to meet on March 21, 22. Both of those factors are going to be viewed as negative for crypto. Okay, the March 14 CPI report is going to be hotter than usual, than expected. It's going to show inflation not moving down as much as we would want it to. That's going to push crypto down even further. And then secondly, the Federal Reserve meeting that's set to meet on March 21, 22. So on March 22 is when we'll find out the number. The number is going to be at least 50 basis points. It's not going to be 25. It's going to be 50. That, again, is going to have the crypto market's going to have a knee-jerk reaction to that. You're going to see the crypto market move down. Okay. Does that mean we're going to see crashes and things like that? No, these are pretty much expected inline events that are going to happen. Just know that you're going to see some short-term volatility in crypto. It's going to happen. Okay. So, yeah, that's what I got for you. The destruction continues a little bit, with Silvergate, inflation, all that kind of stuff, but this too shall pass. You just got to weather this storm. So don't let your emotions take over and, push you out of crypto, out of your positions. Don't take losses. Again, this is not investing advice. You have to do what's right for you.